In this video, I'm going to show you how to insert furniture blocks in AutoCAD using the Design Center tool to speed up your drafting workflow. Start by typing DC into the command line and press Enter to open Design Center. This tool allows you to browse blocks, drawings, and design libraries directly inside AutoCAD. Once the Design Center window opens, explore the available categories on the left side. If you're working on an interior or kitchen layout, navigate to the Kitchens category and open the Blocks section to view available furniture and fixture blocks. Here you'll find items like cabinets, sinks, appliances, and other layout components. To insert a block, simply click and drag the desired object directly into your drawing area and place it where needed. You can continue browsing and inserting additional blocks to build out your design quickly and consistently. Using blocks saves a huge amount of time because you don't need to redraw common objects repeatedly. It also helps maintain accurate sizing and professional presentation throughout your project. Thanks for watching and happy drafting with AutoCAD.